Hello, it's me Sudhir Karel. Today I am presenting the final assignment of Android application development. The application that I have developed is the Hamro Kitchen application. This video outlines the features that I have set for the Hamro Kitchen application. First of all, I want to show you the working mechanism of the applications and its features that I have developed. Let me run the application. The first page will be the splash activity page, which will load the logos of the application for the few seconds. Then it will navigate to the login page. Login page contains the navigation page to go to the sign up page. Entering the details over here will navigate to the will allow user to sign up or register in the app. Let me add some details of the user. If the password and the confirm password is wrong, then it will give the alert message. Otherwise it will allow the user to register into the applications and navigate to the login page. So it will also show the toast message over here. And login page contains the two edit text views where users should enter their username and password. If the user insert the incorrect username and password, then he or she will be notified by the alert message in a snack bar. For example, I put the incorrect username, incorrect password, then it will notify me in the snack bar. If the user inputs the correct password, then he or she will be navigated to the dashboard of my application. Since this is a dashboard which consists of bottom navigation view and also a sidebar view. Sidebar view will contains the image of the user and username, images and email. It also contains various menus over here, which will navigate us to the different activity. About us menu will navigate us to the about us page, which contains the information about this app. And I have also made the features for booking the restaurant on the special occasion. So I have created book restaurant activities for booking a restaurant. Let me explain you the process for booking the restaurant. As soon as I click on the book restaurant, then it will display me the available restaurant uh, in the applications. And then I can also view the location of the restaurant on the map. And I can book the restaurant by entering to the book now. Now I must enter the details of mine over here. I must fill all the details, otherwise it will give me the alert notifications. For example, I forgot it here to select the exit time, then it will alert me by giving the message of please fill all the required fields. So after filling all the details, it will show the alert box, final alert box to confirm the booking. If I click on OK, then my booking will be confirmed. And after booking confirmed, then it will show me the message over the toast. Whenever I click on the share, then it will show me this where I can share anything to different Gmail, message, Drive, and the dashboard page will contains the all the items that are available in this application. So whenever I need to order the application, I can choose the selected items, which will deliver me to the item dashboard. I should select the number of quantity over here and click on add to cart. Then it will show the pizza successfully added to the cart. So let me add more items. So Momo is successful. It shows the notification over here. And to view my cart, I can go to this here. If I wish to remove the pizza, then I can click on to show only the items that I have desired to order. Then whenever I click on order now, then it will navigate us to the payment method that is I have set USEWA for the payment gateway of these applications. So after making the payment, then your order will be confirmed. And I can also search for the items over here. So whenever I click on sandwich, then it will navigate to the item. Going through the source code, I have implemented coroutine scope. That is, they are used for cooperating multitasking where a process voluntarily yield control periodically or when idle in order to enable multiple applications to run simultaneously. I have also stored the data coming from API to the ROM database from here and showing the data from room database to the front end of my applications over here by attaching them into the adapter and showing them into the recycler view. I have created various adapters, also the APIs, DAO for storing the data in the room database and DB, and I have also created the various entities that are applicable for my applications and notifications channels for displaying notifications over the top of the mobile, also the repository and various responses from the APIs are received in here. And I have also created different fragments for my front end part of these applications. Mm, For wearables, I have also done the similar kind of things, that as I have created various adapters, also attached APIs and room databases, and also the entities and repository that are necessary for retrieving the applications and designing the applications and implementing the applications. And finally, I have created the testing of my applications, that is Hamro Kitchen test for unit testing. So whenever I run the coverage, so here I should enter the username for logging to this application. So the dashboard contains the booking and logout buttons. The booking buttons will navigate to the activities where we can book the restaurant, similar to the that we had done on the Android applications few moments ago. So booking, whenever I click on the book button, then it will show the available restaurants over here, and I can also book by clicking on book now. So I must enter the my full name also my phone number, and proceed. And I must select each and every details, and whenever I click on book now, then it will book the hotels. Yeah, and the logout button over here will allow us to log out from this wearable application. This is all about my wearable application. I have also done testing of my applications, that is a unit testing here. I have created few unit testings, so whenever I run this with coverage, then it will shows me the 5 data to be testing correctly and 1 test to be failed as I have entered incorrect credentials for login. So this is about my unit testing. Last but not the least is that I have also added the sensor. I have added the accelerometer sensor, that is whenever I check this phone, then it will automatically log out. Yeah, and I have also added the uh, light sensor, that is whenever the light goes light intensity is low, then its screen will also get to the low light.